Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Rajkanabar, your process automation strategist. Today we will cover how to choose the right temperature transmitter, 4 to 20 milliampere versus wireless versus HART. Choosing the right temperature transmitter is a crucial for your accurate measurement and process control. But with so many options like 4 to 20 milliampere versus wireless versus HART, which one should you choose? In this video, I'll break down each type, their pros and cons, and help you to decide which one is the right for your application. So first, let's start with what is temperature transmitter. Temperature transmitter is a device that can convert the signals from temperature sensors like RTD and thermocouple into a standardized output for your accurate monitoring and control. Now let's check where they are mostly used. Their main applications are industrial automation, HVAC systems, food processing plants, oil and gas industry, and there are many more industries who can use this type of temperature transmitter. Now, let's check types of temperature transmitter. In the title, you know that we are going to cover 4 to 20 milliampere transmitters, wireless transmitters, and HART protocol operated transmitters. But first, let's start with 4 to 20 milliampere temperature transmitter. We all know that in our industry, the main standard signal is analog signal transmission and it is done by 4 to 20 milliampere current. Second is, it is simple and reliable for your long distances. And third one is, it is work with existing wired infrastructure and low power consumption. It is also based for industrial plants with wired system. This cost effective and robust in all type of application. So let's take one example for 4 to 20 milliampere operated temperature transmitter. In chemical plants, a 4 to 20 milliampere transmitter sends a temperature data from a reactor to the controller room. Now let's go through second type of temperature transmitter, and it is wireless temperature transmitter. In this, there is no cable needed. It uses a radio signals like LoRa and Zigbee, ideal for remote and hard to reach location. It is also reduces the installation cost but requires a power source like battery or solar, and it may have latency issues in some environments. It is based for remote oil and gas pipelines and where difficult to wire locations are there. This one is best choice. Now let's take one example. A food storage facility uses wireless transmitter to monitor freezer temperatures across different warehouses. Now let's cover third type, HART temperature transmitter. It is one type of hybrid system, supports the both analog and digital signals. It enables remote calibration and diagnostics. It is also used in smart automation and IIoT applications. Requires HART-compatible control systems. It is best for industries needing real-time diagnostic and predictive maintenance. Also, smart factories and IIoT-enabled processes. Now, let's cover one example for this. An oil refinery uses HART-enabled transmitters for continuous monitoring and predictive maintenance of high-temperature pipelines. Now, let's compare all three temperature transmitters. You can check their differences on the table right now. So, if you need a reliable wire transmission, go for 4 to 20 milliampere. For remote monitoring, choose wireless. And if you want digital diagnostic and smart automation, then go for HART. This is the best way to choose from all about temperature transmitter. Now, if you are confused how to choose the right one, then if your application type is industrial, remote or IIoT, you need to decide that first. And if you want to go for budget-friendly solution, then wired temperature transmitter is best for you. And if the application is way more higher, then you need to choose a HART protocol-based temperature transmitter. You also consider this point, data requirements. Do you need a real-time diagnostics? If your answer is yes, then go for HART. And you need to also check installation flexibility. Wireless for remote areas and 4 to 20 milliampere for reliability. To sum up all, For a reliable, low-cost solution, go for 4 to 20 milliampere. For wireless remote monitoring, choose wireless transmitter. And for smart automation with diagnostics, go for HART. Also, let me know in the comment section which one do you use the more. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.